Hey, I'm here with Cesario, who's a speaker at Brewing Agile 2024. Can you tell us what your talk is about and why you're passionate about it?
Sure. So I'm passionate about my talk because I've seen firsthand why rigid scaling frameworks can limit a team's or an organization's true ability to be agile. And while frameworks have their own benefits, especially scaling frameworks, they start you out, but eventually you will need to make some tweaks, make some changes if you want to be really beneficial with them. And I've seen if you're failing to do that or you're able to do that, you will not get the benefit that you might expect. So in my experience in tweaking these frameworks and tweaking organization designs to meet specific needs of organizations, culture needs, customer needs, technology needs, I've seen organizations get a lot of benefit from that. And that's what excites me, to share these ideas, to share these stories, how organizations can build their own models, their own agile frameworks based on the same agile principles, the same agile values. But now they are able to tailor it to their specific needs, to align it with their specific strategy. So the teams will feel more ownership, and the effect will be a bigger overall performance of your organization. So I'm excited to be sharing that also in the Brewing Agile conference.
I think that sounds really great, and I think a lot of people will find that message resonates with them. I implemented this framework, and I didn't. Everything is not perfect. What do I do now? It's a pretty common thing, I think. And then you're also holding a workshop. Can you tell us a little of what you expect the value that people will get out of that is?
Of course, yeah. So in this workshop, participants will gain, some insights in how organizational design decisions impact agility directly, and we will explore practical tools and techniques that leaders can use to make either small tweaks or larger redesigns to their organization to enable, true adaptability. And not only like having agile teams, but, adaptability across larger groups of teams. So attendees will leave with a clear understanding of how to create environments that, actually support their teams, their groups of teams to be agile, and to understand how they can redesign so that the organization is more in line with their strategy. So whether you are looking for small or large improvements, the ideas in the workshop will be very practical, and you could very likely apply them immediately to improve your organization for more adaptability.
Sounds great. I can't
Something,
wait to
some,
hear it.
something like
And
that. Yeah.
and yeah, I can't wait to hear it, and I can't wait for everyone watching this video to hear it. So we will see you in November at Brewing Agile. Thanks so much.
Thank you.